How to edit Google Form after submit. First, open any browser on your device. Then search for Google Forms. Open its website. Tap on Sign In to sign in with your account. Once you are signed in, open the form in which you want to add the Edit Google Form option after submit. Here appears the form. Go to the Settings. Scroll down a little. Open the Responses section. You have to toggle on the Allo Response Editing option. This feature will allow the responser to edit the form even after submit. Now go back and click on Publish. Save the form, then move your cursor here. Click on it to copy the URL address. You can send this URL address to anyone. I am pasting here on the New tab to check whether I can edit the submitted response or not. The form is opened. After filling the form, click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you can see here the Edit Form option. Easily click on it, edit the form, and change your response. That's how you can enable Edit Response option even after submission. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.